Hello everyone, welcome to our fifth short course in our cryptocurrency series, and today we'll be talking about the concept of wallets. In the world of cryptocurrency today, choosing the right wallet and securing your wallet is key. This is so as to make sure your funds are safely kept. When I mean your funds, I mean your cryptocurrencies, of course. There are different kinds of wallets. Today, we have two major kinds of wallets in the crypto space. Number one is the cold wallet. Number two are the hot wallets. The cold wallets, majorly referred to as the hardware wallets, are the types of wallets that are kept offline. These kinds of wallets enables its users to have their cryptocurrencies kept in a device which is usually offline, and of course the security is also offline, so there will be no hack into those kinds of wallets. An example is like Ledger offers a very fine hardware wallet equipment. Secondly, we have the hot wallets. The hot wallets could either be mobile or desktop. These kind of wallets are usually used for your day-to-day activities. When you want to make, a quick transaction, you want to make a quick transfer, you can have this kind of wallet. However, the risks involved in using this kind of wallets are high because everything is stored online. They are easily hackable or they can be hacked easily. Choosing the right wallet is key, as I've said earlier. Do you want to know more about wallets? Join the Pro Baba FX Academy today to begin your journey in the crypto space. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.